Welcome to Innovating Instruction, a MOOC that will help you become familiar with the changing world of educational technology and the importance of positioning teachers as designers of their classroom learning environments. Importantly, this MOOC will help you start designing authentic science, technology, engineering, and mathematical projects in ways that put students at the center of the learning process. Together, we will explore how we can integrate the design ideas and digital tools in ways that create more engagement in our classrooms, in ways that don't simply digitize the status quo, as I often say, but rather create new, dynamic learning environments for our students. We will explain our transdisciplinary approach to using STEM as an example of how to apply innovating instruction, our overarching curricular design approach. We will be talking about STEM as a meta-discipline, a goal for when we use 2 or more content areas of the 4 STEM subjects, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, to solve problems. Perhaps you are a teacher or someone working closely with schools. We invite you as an educator into our conversation about how you can use design ideas for technology and STEM learning more specifically to enhance learning. Think about classrooms of just 15 years ago. There might have been a few computers in the back of the classroom, or perhaps there was a computer lab that had to be shared with the whole school. And if you wanted to go online, you had to dial up using a modem. Popular mobile technologies were introduced just a handful of years ago. We didn't have smartphones until June 2007, and iPads were not even introduced until 2010. Now, when you go into many schools, you will find technology throughout the building. There are any number of classrooms where each child has access to a computer or a tablet. If this is the new reality, how can we as teachers use these tools to deepen student engagement and provide authentic learning environments for our students? Many classrooms, it is important to note, especially underfunded urban and rural classrooms, still need better access, faster access, and more equipment. We will be talking about equity throughout the course because digital equity is a critical issue for our 21st century students. We've designed this professional development MOOC around 4 big ideas: the changing world of education and technology, teachers as designers, integrating technology, and assessing learning in new digital environments. A set of complementary videos will present these big ideas in the context of STEM learning and guide you through the development of a STEM project for the classroom. Hello, I'm Dr. Ellen Meyer, and I invite you to join me on this journey to explore new ways of thinking about technology, teaching, learning, and the STEM classroom.